everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lavanya's box for April month. So this is the box which I have received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 299 rupees only, so it's very affordable. Now I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box, so you guys can check it, and in case you want to purchase it, of course, just click on the link and then you can just buy this box. Now let's just quickly see what all it has. Let's start with the cards. I have these two cards. Both are handwritten. So of course, very special for me. I personally find handwritten notes very special. So the first one says, "Hey beautiful, thank you for subscribing with us, Team Lavanya. Love from Team Lavanya." Now the second one is this. This is the info card. It says Lavanya's April month edition and the product list. So let's start with the first one. The first one is a matte lipstick, and this is by Team Matte Stick Lipstick. The price for this is 215 rupees, and this is the one. The color is bit oranges, coral color you can say, and it has this tape kind of thing. Let me just open it and show you the color. So this is the shade. Let me just show you the shade here. So very pretty coral kind of a shade. I like it. Pretty shade. 215 is the price for this one. Now moving on to the next one. Next one is a face wash from Humble Bee. So this is the one. The price for this one is 399 rupees, and this is the charcoal detan face wash with almond oil. So this is a charcoal and detan product which is perfect for summer. So yes, I'm happy. I'm definitely going to use it, and Humble Bee is a good brand. I've used some product, they work quite nice. So yes, happy with this one. 399 is the price. 50 ml is the quantity. The manufacturer of January 2019, best before 18 months from the manufacturing date. It has witch glycerin, charcoal extract, coffee extract, almond oil, vitamin E oil, skin friendly fragrance. So this is the second product. Now moving on to the third one. The third one is by Ahara, and this is a charcoal powder. So this is the one. The price for this one is 190 rupees, and charcoal powder, this is for your face and teeth, so you can just make any DIY by using this charcoal powder. And as I've said, for summers, I think charcoal is a good product. So happy for this one. Manufacturer of January 2019, best before January 2021, and this is 100% pure activated charcoal. Price is 150 for this, and let me just tell you the quantity. Quantity is 15 gram for this one. Moving on to the next one. The next one is a fragrance sachet from Home Center. So I have already used it. Of course, very nice. And you can just keep these sachets in your wardrobe, in your almirahs, in your drawers. Very useful products for me. So I'm happy. 69 is the price. Good product. Now moving on to the next one. Next one is a pair of earrings, and this is the one. I love the outer box. It's really pretty. Just have a look. Pink and transparent kind of a box. And this is the pair of earrings. The price for these are 135 rupees. And let me just wear one and show you the look. So this is the one. They are just perfect for daily wear. I like it. And the color is of course very safe. You can just mix and match with anything. So this is the look. Now I'm left with the last one. The last one is a surprise gift, and the surprise gift are these star-shaped cute earrings for daily wear. Just have a look. Let me just wear this as well. Though they are small, I doubt if they will be visible. But still, let me just wear it and try to show you the look. Yeah, of course they are visible. Just see. Pretty. Perfect for daily wear. So this is a surprise gift, and of course surprise gifts are again very special. So yes, I like it. I'm happy. So that's all what I have received in my Lavanya's box for April month. You're just paying 299 rupees, and I've showed you all the products. So if you like it, just go ahead and place your order. So that's all about Lavanya's box. But before ending the video, let me just remind you about my giveaway, guys. Yes, there is a giveaway going on my channel. I will be mentioning the giveaway link in the description box. So go ahead, check it, and of course participate. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.